Hello everybody, how you doing today? We got a bit of an unboxing, bit of mail call, so let's get right to it and see what we got. It's not the smallest box I've ever got. As you can see, it's got a little bit of height to it. Alright, what's in the box? You might see what the colors and the words say on the box. Alright. Let's see. That. Got the saran wrap around everything, screensavers, plastic stuff. Energy efficient. Bottom of the box. Alright. Can anybody tell what that is yet? Sure you can. It is a mini refrigerator. A replica Xbox mini refrigerator. Let's plug it in, huh? And there you go, it's on. Nice and quiet. Oh, it's got a green light inside. Oh, and the on-off light. Got the eject button. Need to pull off all of this wrap. But it's a little miniature fridge, replica, Xbox, with freezer. Everything is glass shelves that all come out. Everything's kind of taped in place. Holds several sodas. This will hold four. Egg holder in there. So yeah, what do you think, huh? Power your dreams. Actual freezer. Catch drip tray. Thermostat control. Button to turn the light on and off, which is Xbox green. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Obviously, it's still got the wrap on it everywhere, so you can't quite see exactly the finish. It's going to be clean after that. It's got the replica top on it. It's quiet. It's on. Yeah, nice and quiet. Perfect for the game room, or maybe some Buddy going to college or something needs a little fridge. What do you think, huh? Not bad. Switch to turn that off is actually on the inside right there, so you can turn it off and not have it on. You can have that symbol on. Typical. Yeah, glass shelving, crisper tray. Looks like there's an egg carton in there, freezer, thermostat. This holds several sodas. This will hold rack probably 2 sodas thick. So it'll definitely hold a lot. Handles on the top, handles on the side. Well, there you go, guys. I have to do a follow-up video on how well it does and performs, but it did come with a little piece of paper saying what its ratings were. I don't know where that just, there it is. I don't know if you can see that. It says estimated yearly energy cost $31. So we'll see. Doesn't seem to be too bad. I'll have to look through the warranty and paperwork and see if there's any special toggle that might switch it to energy efficient mode or something, but I'm not seeing that yet. I know they have 2 other smaller refrigerators. This is the largest of the 3. This is the latest one to come out. The first one came out about 2 years ago, then the next one was a little bit smaller, came out about a year ago, and I think this came out about 6 months ago, maybe just before Christmas. And those all had like eco modes and things. Some of them did and didn't, so like some of them had lights, some didn't, but we'll have to see what this does or doesn't have that. But yeah, so far I think it looks pretty cool and will be a nice addition to the game room. Well, alright, there you go, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and watch for more further content. Thought I should give you a quick look at the box before I sign off. It gives you a bit more of a detailed look of what the possibilities are for storage on it. Got it at Walmart. Delivered. Bought it yesterday. Delivered it today. It's on sale, $1.99. I'm not sponsored by anybody, but just to let you know, that's what the cost is right now. $1.99. It says it's a $50 reduction. So hope that helps everybody on determining whether or not you want to buy one of these.